You ever hear Future say,
"He belongs to the streets,"
and think, nah, not my girl?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, that's exactly what every clown says right before she's on a yacht in Miami, smiling at the camera like you never existed. This is a public service announcement. Ignore it and you'll be the next dude speedrunning Heartbreak while posting deep quotes at 3 a.m. like some motivational meme page reject. Some women aren't yours, they're rentals.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No warranty, no return policy, just heavy mileage and emotional damage. And if you think you're the exception, you're about to get humbled in 4K.
Come on now, dawg.
Today, I'm giving you 5 savage, undeniable facts that prove
"He belongs to the streets."
backed by celebrity receipts, brutal male lessons. Skip this video if you want, but don't cry when she's at Drake's pool party next week. If the streets raised her, the streets own her. I'm talking about women who've been in the mix since 16. Every weekend, older guys buying her drinks, her IG feed looking like a nightclub flyer. Do you really think you're gonna save her from that? Nah, bro. That's like trying to domesticate a raccoon. You can clean it up, but it's still gonna dig through trash when you're not looking. Look at Lori Harvey, no disrespect, but she's basically the league MVP of the streets. Future, Michael B. Jordan, Diddy's son, Damson Idris.
Damn.
It's a rotating roster, not a love story. And every dude that thought, yeah, she's gonna settle with me, ended up in the same group chat. Bro, she did you too? This is like adopting a cat that's been living outside for 5 years and expecting it not to jump the fence. Good luck, champ. And that leads us to the next fact, because even if she looks like she's slowing down, trust me, she's just charging her phone. Attention is her oxygen. If she's posting more outfit pics than you have outfits in your closet, she's not trying to impress you. She's marketing herself like Amazon Prime. Free shipping, arrives in 2 business days, and no commitment necessary. Brittany Renner built her whole brand off being seen. You think she stops posting bikini pics when she's in a relationship? Please, the attention is the relationship. Take it away and she'll suffocate, then blame you for not supporting her goals. That's like buying a fish and telling it to stop swimming. It's not happening. This is her natural habitat. Her history is the prophecy. Some guys think they're the one who'll change her ways. Bruh, if she's been through more rosters than an NBA team in rebuilding season, your season ticket is temporary. The past is the best indicator of the future.
Badass, and I 3 guys in a week, had a mean yeast infection.
She probably at least 30 guys in the NBA.
NBA player, I'm
Amber Rose, from Kanye to Wiz Khalifa to multiple high-profile flings. Her dating history wasn't a mystery. Every man came in thinking he was special. Every man left writing sad rap lyrics about her. It's like buying a used car with 200,000 miles and expecting it to smell new. Bro, it's been on road trips you don't even want to know about. The craziest part, even if you're winning with her, you're still losing.
Damn.
Let me explain. Street's loyalty is different. Here's the harsh truth: she can like you, even love you, and still keep her options open. Street loyalty means she'll hold your hand at dinner and text someone else from the bathroom.
Come on now, dawg.
Don't get mad at me, that's just the game. Khloe Kardashian with Tristan Thompson. This man cheated publicly multiple times, yet she kept coming back, while the streets kept whispering in her ear. It's not about you, it's about the lifestyle. That's like renting a car and getting mad someone else drove it before you. My guy, it's not yours. You just paid for some miles. She'll leave when the streets call her back.
Okay.
It doesn't matter how good you treat her, how big the ring is, or how much you provide. When the streets call, she answers. Always. Sometimes it's old friends. Sometimes it's old habits. Sometimes it's just the thrill. But it always happens. Kiara and Future. He was toxic, sure, but when she left, it wasn't for forever single life. She went right into another high-profile man's arms. That's the streets just upgraded. Think of it like Thanos. No matter how far she goes, no matter where she hides, the streets are inevitable. So here's the takeaway. Don't try to turn a street queen into a housewife. If you spot the signs, don't argue with them. Don't love her better hoping she'll change. Just smile, enjoy your turn, and pass her back to the block where she came from. Because as Future said best, from the street she came and back to the street she shall return. And if you think this doesn't apply to your girl,
Sensational.
I'll see you in the next one.
You heard my man.
We not doing that. All right?
Okay.
I'll let you, buddy.
Bye, bitch.
Go ahead. That's mine, baby. That's mine.
Sensational.